Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Little Fingers. I hope you all have a good week so far. Alright, this week I'm going to unbox the ProTech Toolkit from iFixit. I bought an eye opener kit from them before and I like it so much. So I have decided to buy the ProTech Toolkit. I saw that if I keep working on small electronic parts, it is best to use the right tools. So without further ado, let's dig in. Presenting ProTech Toolkit from iFixit. So when you open the box, you will find the owner's guide with the details of the tools that you have in your toolkit. And then you have the compact tool row, where then anti-static wrist strap, suction handle, and 3 pieces of opening tools, spudger and tweezers, jimmy, and then the lid tray. And then you have the 150mm flex extension, the driver adapter, and then the 64 bits included in your kit. You will have 3 opening picks too, and seam eject bit, and the magnetic pad. So with the magnetic pad, you will never lose a screw anymore. When you attach the bit into the flex extension, you just have to push it together and then hear the click, and then it should lock and you're good to go to use it. Yeah, it's pretty neat, compact tool row. Everything you need is in there, plus the owner's guide gives you an idea on how to use the tools you got. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.